Will artificial intelligence replace the human factor in accounting? I believe that replace is a strong word. AI has been around longer than most people think. In 1914, an autonomous chessboard was created that showcased a king and rook versus king endgame, with the board controlling the king and rook and able to reliably checkmate human opponents. In 1959, a checkers program was created that would learn from its losses to prevent those and become better at checkers to the point that it was able to beat its creator. In 1973, we had the first AI winter, where interest and investment in AI dried up. And then in 1982, Japan created the fifth generation computer system, which was a computer system designed to create computers able to handle logical reasoning and problem solving better than the previous ones. About 5 years later, we had the second AI winter, and then 10 years later, IBM created Deep Blue, a chess program that was able to defeat the top chess player Garry Kasparov in a 6-game match of chess. In 2011, Apple released Siri for iPhone, and in 2020, ChatGPT-3 was released to the public. Currently, AI is being put into everything around us. Google Gemini will analyze any query you put in the search box. Siri and Bixby is in our phone. The social media algorithms in Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok will try to feed us content that is relevant to our interests. Microsoft has put Copilot into every product that they own, including PowerPoint. As you can see, it attempted to tell me how to make my presentation. And in video games, artificial intelligence has been used to define the parameters that the computer would play by, and people have been using ChatGPT and other large language models to create video games themselves. Now, is the AI revolution really something new? Not at all. It's following the same pattern as the dot-com bubble of the late 90s, with a large investment, a promise of a higher return with very little proof of that actually coming, and we are looking at a potential third AI winter because this has already happened twice. Now, our shortcomings with AI these days are slightly different. We deal with AI hallucinations, where your artificial intelligence will make up data in order to affirm its own theories. Informational bias, where what it learned from was skewed a certain way and it causes it to spit out a response that aligns with that instead of what could actually be the truth. Or just vast quantities of low-quality information which give it a low-quality response. Garbage in, garbage out, as they say. Now, by most research, artificial intelligence will end up becoming a tool in the arsenal of future accountants as opposed to replacing them. In the same way that Excel is widely used, so will artificial intelligence. We will be able to take it and make it do things, but we know what that will look like at the end. And because of that, we can use artificial intelligence to skip the small steps or the routine steps and get directly to the end.